Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will show you how to use DJI AL1 Spotlight installation and activation. Remove the bracket from the bottom of the Spotlight. Remove the aircraft E-port cover. Mount the Spotlight on the top of the aircraft body. Tighten the screws on both sides of the Spotlight. Use the hex wrench included in the package to tighten them again, ensuring waterproof performance. Power on the aircraft. Make sure the aircraft and the dock are linked. Connect the smartphone to the DJI Dock 3 USB-C port. Open the DJI Enterprise app. It will display an activation page upon first use of the Spotlight. Please follow the on-screen instructions for activation. Features of the Spotlight. Enter the Flight Hub 2 device status window and click on Virtual Cockpit. Click the Spotlight icon. You can choose strobe or on. Slide the brightness bar to adjust the Spotlight's illuminance. Click the settings icon. Adjust the camera gimbal. The Spotlight gimbal will follow for pitch adjustment. Start fine-tune gimbal. To make subtle adjustments to the tilt angles of the left or the right gimbals, click on Start Calibration for gimbal auto calibration. The gimbal will perform calibration automatically. Flight route usage. Go to Flight Route Library. Click on Create Route. Select the route type, the aircraft, the model, and the Spotlight. Name the flight route. Click OK. Set the reference takeoff point. Select the flight route icon. Click to quickly add waypoints. Set waypoint actions for Spotlight strobe or turning off. Adjust the lighting brightness. Save the flight route. Spotlight firmware update. Mount the Spotlight to the aircraft. Use DJI Assistant 2 Enterprise Series or DJI Flight Hub 2 to remotely update aircraft firmware. At this time, the Spotlight firmware will be updated, along with the aircraft firmware. Spotlight usage tips. Once the Spotlight is installed, the aircraft's propulsion performance will be affected. The upward obstacle sensing will be disabled. Please fly with caution. After the Spotlight is turned on, the vision system will be unavailable. Please fly with caution. Do not point the Spotlight directly at people's eyes to prevent potential harm. The Spotlight may become hot after prolonged operation. Please be careful to avoid burns. The aircraft can be directly stored in the carrying case with the Spotlight installed. After removing the Spotlight, please put on the aircraft port cover. Spotlight combination mode. Mount the Spotlight on the top of the aircraft body first. Tighten the screws on both sides of the Spotlight. Turn over the cover and place it in the groove at the rear of the Spotlight. Then remove the adapter bracket from the bottom of the speaker. Attach the speaker to the top of the Spotlight. Tighten the screws on both sides of the speaker. Use the hex wrench included in the package to tighten them again, ensuring waterproof performance.